Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today we will discuss chapter number 1 measurement and the topic is prefixes. So students, in physics, prefixes are often used to express very large or very small measurements by attaching them to base units. So in short, we can define prefixes as the symbols or the words added to base units to represent multiples or submultiples of powers of 10. Basically, prefixes simplify the representation of a very large or very small values in the SI system, means International System of Units. Some of the key points to remember are: larger prefixes are used to express very large quantities in physics like tera, giga, mega or kilo, whereas smaller prefixes like milli, micro, nano, pico and femto are used to express very small quantities. Third one, these prefixes help us in writing measurements in a concise and standardized form, especially in scientific notations. Now we will discuss some of the interesting examples related to prefixes in physics. So let's start. Number 1, nano. Nano means 1 billionth. For example, nanometer. 1 nanometer is equals to 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. A DNA molecule is about 2 nanometers wide. Number 2, micro. Micro means 1 millionth. For example, microsecond. 1 microsecond is equals to 10 raised to power minus 6 second. The time taken for a light to travel 300 meters in a vacuum is approximately 1 microsecond. Number 3, milli means 1,000th. For example, millisecond. 1 millisecond is equals to 10 raised to power minus 3 second. The time for a single heartbeat is about 1 millisecond. Number 4, centi means 100th. For example, centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. The width of a fingernail is roughly 1 centimeter. Number 5, kilo means 1000. For example, kilometer. 1 kilometer is equals to 10 raised to power 3 meter. The distance traveled by a car on a highway is measured in kilometers. Number 6, mega means million. For example, megawatt. 1 megawatt is equals to 10 raised to power 6 watt. A power plant typically generates energy in megawatts. Number 7, giga means 10 raised to power 9, that is billion. For example, gigahertz. 1 gigahertz is equal to 10 raised to power 9 hertz. The frequency of most modern computer processor is measured in gigahertz. Tera means 10 raised to power 12, that is trillion. For example, terabyte. 1 terabyte is equals to 10 raised to power 12 bytes. Storage capacity of modern hard drives is often measured in terabytes. Pico means 10 raised to power minus 12, that is 1 trillionth. For example, picosecond. 1 picosecond is equals to 10 raised to power minus 12 second. The time taken by a light to travel 0.3 millimeters in a vacuum is about 1 picosecond. The last one is femto, means 10 raised to power minus 15, that is 1 quadrillionth. For example, femtometer. 1 femtometer is 10 raised to power minus 15 meters. The size of a proton is about 1 femtometer. So why we use prefixes in physics? First of all, in physics, we often need to measure very large or very small numbers. For example, instead of writing 0.0001 meter, we use 1 micrometer. It also makes scientific notation concise and easier to work with. Moreover, it is commonly applied in areas like speed, energy, distance, time, and power. Thank you.